colors are crazy. Wow. We about to link up with my boy real quick and head there. It's really nice out for Michigan, so I got my car. Comment down below what you guys think of this lip. I just installed the front lip. Really, really low. We got the little AMG. Just get ready. Car is still not warmed up yet. I just started the car, but as soon as we get on the highway and we roll up with my boy, we about to be ready. All right, we turning it into here. Everybody meeting up at this spot. Let's turn on the exhaust a little bit. Damn, it's full. Got LT1s, Hellcats, SRT 300s. Ooh, what's it called? I forgot what that's called. Oh yeah, it's full. God damn. We got this dude too with the BMW. This Hellcat's clean, skinny body. More Hellcats. All right, guys, we got my C63, all BMWs everywhere, bikes, M4s, Abdul. We got this. Hey, did they race? Did they race yet? I saw it in your store.
They're redoing it.
They're redoing it?
Yeah.
What was it, a close or something
He
going
kept
wrong?
spinning.
No way. I saw he was burning it up. Look at this. And we got this GT3 Trackhawk. This one's 1,000+ horsepower. We got this beautiful M8. Wow. I've never seen this color before. And I think that's an M6. I love that body. But look at this. I've never seen. Look at this M8. Got this Trackhawk. Man, these two colors go crazy back to back. We got my boy right there, the C63 pulling up. But look at this lineup. This is crazy. The colors are crazy. Like, look at this. And even the red BMW. Oh, look at this Hellcat. The famous C63. This better not be a Stoli, no license plate. Damn, look at this new chick. Got my C63 right there. We still got some Beamers, Porsche, Benz. Got the ZL1. Oh. Alright, so we got the keys to this one. Look at the CLS 63. What year is this? 2012. So pre-facelift, right? My performance pack, WiseTech exhaust. Just picked it up. I love the color. You black out the chrome.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit of front lip.
Oh, no, I was gonna wrap it.